In the world of real estate, having the upper hand is essential. How do you achieve this? Through a powerful tool known as a real estate market analysis. This invaluable tool allows us to gather crucial information, guiding us in making well-informed decisions. Whether you're pondering a property investment or evaluating the rental potential of a specific city or district, a market analysis is your compass in this vast landscape of opportunities. Before taking the plunge into the real estate market, savvy investors begin with market research. It's the crucial first step that sets the stage for your success. This phase serves as your reality check, ensuring that your project not only makes sense but also thrives within the existing market dynamics. Yet, not all real estate enthusiasts are willing to put in the time and effort to conduct a thorough market analysis. If you aspire to stand out in the competitive realm of real estate, conducting this research is non-negotiable. So, what exactly is a market study in the world of real estate? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this essential concept, equipping you with pro tips and tricks to navigate the real estate market like a seasoned pro. What is a real estate market analysis? A real estate market analysis, often referred to as a comparative market analysis, serves as your window into the dynamic world of property values. It's a meticulous examination of the current market, shedding light on the worth of properties comparable to the one you're eyeing for a purchase or sale. Regardless of whether you're entering the market as a buyer or seller, conducting a real estate market analysis is non-negotiable. This critical step grants you insight into the prevailing market conditions. You'll discover how much properties akin to your target are truly worth. For those considering investments, it unveils the potential rental income. In essence, it's the compass that guides your real estate journey. In the realm of real estate, professionals such as agents and brokers wield this valuable tool to craft comprehensive reports. These reports not only aid sellers in setting competitive list prices for their homes but also, albeit less frequently, assist buyers in formulating compelling offers. The wealth of information derived from a real estate market survey is indispensable. It empowers sellers to make informed choices when determining their listing prices. For buyers, it serves as a litmus test, ensuring that the asking price is neither too high nor a missed opportunity. Before we delve into that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our future content. By subscribing, you ensure you're always in the loop for more invaluable insights and expertise in the world of real estate. Why do a real estate market analysis? The rationale for embarking on this kind of examination is multifaceted, with the paramount goal being to arm yourself with the information needed for secure investments and purchases. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Other compelling reasons encompass city selection. It aids in the strategic decision-making process, helping you discern whether one city trumps another as the ideal investment destination. Obstacle identification. Pinpointing the obstacles that may hinder investment opportunities in specific locales gives you an edge in your real estate endeavors. Demographic insights. Understanding the demographic intricacies is a key element in foreseeing the evolution of the area where you're contemplating an investment. Project prognosis. Having access to invaluable information about ongoing and forthcoming investment projects in particular regions. This insight can be your crystal ball, predicting future developments that could drive property values skyward. By staying well informed about housing market prices, you're perpetually equipped to negotiate effectively. This knowledge empowers you to secure a property at a more favorable price point, ensuring you don't overpay relative to the market's true value. Tips for conducting an effective real estate market survey. Let's continue our exploration of the real estate market analysis process. Market definition. Before delving into data collection, it's imperative to establish a clear definition of your target market. This encompasses factors such as the nature of products or services offered, the specific market segment, be it individuals, businesses, government entities, etc., and the geographical area of focus. A well-defined market serves as the foundational bedrock for a comprehensive study. Property scrutiny. Conducting a real estate market analysis essentially equates to a thorough property examination. This entails assessing aspects like the neighborhood and locality, plot size, construction history, available amenities, and more. Original price assessment. After completing the property analysis, the next step involves seeking the property's original listing online, if available. This treasure trove of information offers insights into the home's overall condition. Scrutinize the listing's photos and descriptions to uncover any updates, renovations, or potential issues. Property value estimation verification. To gauge the home's market value, turn to online resources for estimated valuations. Keep in mind that these estimates are based on market trends and may not be pinpoint accurate, especially if alterations have been made to the property. However, they provide a solid starting point for your real estate market investigation. Comparative analysis. Comparing the property in question to others within the same vicinity is an indispensable step. Consider factors such as size, price, and other relevant elements to arrive at a more accurate valuation. Finalizing market value. Taking into account the wealth of data you've gathered, you should now have a price range for the property's estimated value. This calculation should encompass all your observations and analyses, considering how each element influences the overall worth. When it comes to conducting this extensive study, you have two options at your disposal: the DIY approach, where you handle the market research independently, or the alternative of enlisting the expertise of a professional. Both avenues will be explored in depth in our upcoming segments, so stay tuned for more expert insights on the real estate market. Steps to conduct a real estate market analysis. Achieving an effective and methodical approach to real estate market research demands a well-structured and organized process. To embark on this journey, you can categorize your analysis into 4 essential dimensions: market, demand, supply, and environmental factors. Within each dimension, the key lies in posing the pertinent questions that lead to valuable insights. The ultimate goal is crystal clear: to dissect the market's potential and substantiate the commercial feasibility of your venture. Step 1. The study of the market and its evolution. To kick off this journey, gaining comprehensive insights into the broader market landscape is paramount. The primary aim here is to bolster your understanding of this domain, encompassing market size, prevalent trends, and potential developments. Here's a glimpse of key inquiries to ponder when delving into market analysis and its future trajectory. 1. Market magnitude. What's the market's sheer volume? This pertains to metrics like revenue, customer base, and overall quantity of goods or services traded. 2. Current market health. How's the market performing at present? This snapshot captures the present vitality of the market. 3. Future projections. What lies on the horizon for the market in the upcoming years? Markets can either be on an upward trajectory or locked in a state of stasis. 4. Trending insights. What are the prevailing trends dictating the market's course? 5. Product and service spectrum. What array of products or services is available within this market? 6. Competitive landscape. Who are your direct and indirect rivals? What offerings do they bring to the table? Identifying commonalities and disparities between your offerings and those of your competitors is key. 7. Sales terms and conditions. What are your stipulated terms and conditions for sales? 8. Supplier identification. Who are the potential suppliers, and what terms and conditions can they extend to you? This inquisitive exploration serves as the bedrock for amplifying your understanding of the market's dynamics and the key stakeholders involved. Step 2. Studying the demand. Diving into the realm of demand analysis, the primary objective is to gain a profound understanding of the market's customer base and assess untapped potential. Here's a set of illustrative questions to ponder when exploring the demand within a real estate market study. 1. Customer count. How many patrons populate this market, and how is this figure evolving, rising, falling, or staying constant? 2. Customer profiles. Who exactly are these real estate clientele, and where are they geographically situated? 3. Consumption dynamics. What's the pace at which customers in this market consume real estate services? What patterns define their behavior? 4. Preference parameters. What criteria guide consumers' choices? How does their budget come into play, and what key factors trigger a purchase decision? This line of questioning will serve as the compass for comprehending the market's demand dynamics and identifying latent opportunities waiting to be harnessed. Step 3. Studying the offer. Delving into the realm of competitive analysis, this phase involves a meticulous examination of what your rivals are currently bringing to the market. Here's a set of illustrative questions to consider while assessing the competition. 1. Competitor identification. Who are the key players in this market, standing as your direct adversaries? 2. Market dominance. Which companies wield the most substantial market share? 3. Competitor dimensions. What's the scale and reach of the leading competitors? Where are they situated, and how do they strategize their locations? 4. Establishment and financial health. How long have these competitors been operating, and what's the state of their financial well-being? 5. Success factors. What strategies and criteria set some competitors apart, enabling them to outshine others in the market? A comprehensive exploration of your competitors' offerings serves as a source of inspiration and insights. It provides the groundwork for shaping your future offerings, paving the way for you to gain a competitive edge. Step 4. The environmental and legal study. Venturing into the environmental analysis phase involves an intricate examination of the factors that hold the potential to sway the market. This encompasses factors like prevailing regulations, technological advancements, or any other elements that might exert an impact. Here's a glimpse of pertinent questions to consider while scrutinizing the environmental factors. 1. Innovation impact. How are contemporary innovations shaping the market's landscape? 2. Regulatory landscape. What's the regulatory framework governing this market? Are there specific laws that apply exclusively to this domain? 3. Legal evolution. What trends can be observed in the progression of legislation pertinent to the market? 4. Stakeholder influence. Are there professional groups or other influential actors actively participating in or affecting the market? Step 5. Data collection process. The data gathering phase stands as a pivotal cornerstone in the realm of real estate market research. It serves as the conduit through which you amass critical information that not only validates the viability of your project but also safeguards your investment. Engage in comprehensive real estate surveys to embark on the journey of accumulating the essential insights required to fortify your investments within the dynamic real estate arena. This proactive approach ensures that your decisions are founded on a bedrock of knowledge, setting the stage for informed and secure investments in the real estate market. Step 6. Reporting the results. Delivering a comprehensive report enriched with the data at your disposal serves as the crucial foundation for investors. It empowers them to undertake meticulous analysis, thus enabling the formulation of optimal strategies for safeguarding their investments. For those aspiring to distinguish themselves within the real estate landscape, making informed decisions is the key to success. And this path towards informed decisions is paved with data, your compass to navigate the intricacies of the real estate industry. As we conclude our exploration of the intricate world of real estate market analysis, we hope you found these insights invaluable for your real estate endeavors. Understanding the market, demand, supply, and environmental factors is a crucial foundation for success in this field. Now, if you're looking to take your real estate investment knowledge to the next level and discover the secrets of when to invest in real estate, you're in luck. We have a dedicated video waiting for you. Simply click on the video you see on your screen, and let's delve into the optimal timing for your real estate investments. Your journey to real estate mastery continues, just a click away.